Beyond the horizon, the race to colonize the moon. Imagine a world where humanity has expanded beyond our planet and taken the first steps towards colonizing the moon. It's a future that may seem far-fetched, but with advances in technology and the increasing interest in space exploration, it's a future that may not be as far off as we think. In this documentary, we will take a look at the current state of space technology and the plans being made to establish a sustainable lunar colony. The Apollo era? We begin by taking a look back at the Apollo program, which was the first time humans set foot on the moon. The program, which ran from 1969 to 1972, was a remarkable achievement, but the astronauts were only able to stay on the lunar surface for a few days at a time. The technology available at the time was not advanced enough to support long-term habitation. The current state of space technology. Today, the technology needed to establish a sustainable lunar colony is rapidly developing. NASA and private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are working on reusable rockets and spacecraft that can land on the moon and return to Earth, making it possible to send supplies and personnel to the lunar surface. Resources on the moon. Scientists have also discovered that the moon has valuable resources such as water, which can be used to produce oxygen and rocket fuel. This means that a lunar colony would not have to rely on supplies sent from Earth. Additionally, the moon's surface is rich in minerals such as helium-3, which could be used as a fuel source for nuclear fusion, a potentially limitless source of clean energy. The challenges ahead. While the technology and resources are in place, there are still many challenges that need to be overcome before we can establish a sustainable lunar colony. These include the harsh conditions of the lunar environment, such as extreme temperatures and radiation, as well as the costs associated with such a project. Despite these challenges, the dream of establishing a sustainable lunar colony is closer than ever. With the advances in technology and the increasing interest in space exploration, we may one day see humanity take the next giant leap and establish a permanent presence on the moon. This is an exciting time for space exploration, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. This documentary was just an insight into the current state of space technology and plans being made to establish a sustainable lunar colony, but there is still much to be discovered, and it is an exciting time to be alive to witness the next giant leap in human history.